Good evening. Welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm Dr. Ghosh, your host, and I'm here today with another inspirational story for you. If you like my channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, I request you to please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. And for those of you who are already my subscribers, a heartfelt thank you for subscribing to my channel. You keep me motivated. Coming back to our story, the inspirational story I'm going to share with you is about Sai Sanctuary. Sai stands for Save Animals Initiative Sanctuary in Kodagu, Karnataka. This is the only private sanctuary in the country. It was started in 1991 by Dr. Anil Kumar Malhotra and his wife Pamela Gale Malhotra. They started with 55 acres and today it covers over 300 acres of land. Do you know how this all came about? Dr. Anil Malhotra and Pamela Gale Malhotra went for their honeymoon in Hawaii. They decided to settle in Hawaii and buy up lands there. So Pamela started working for a pharmaceutical company and Dr. Anil Kumar Malhotra went into the mortgage business. They would survive on one salary and invest the other money for buying up lands in Hawaii. But they decided to move out of Hawaii and come to India, especially to the Himalayas. Unfortunately for them, in the Himalayas they were allowed to buy only 12 acres of land and they could not expand. So they decided to come to South India in Karnataka in Coorg, Kodagu as it is called. And they started with 55 acres of land. This was all abandoned land which was abandoned from coffee plantation, cardamom plantation and other plantations as there was of excess rains in that area. Dr. Anil Kumar Malhotra and Pamela Gale Malhotra started by planting a few indigenous trees. They started with three principles: no cutting of trees, no poachers will be allowed, and no human interference will be allowed. Today, after 23 years, the sanctuary which started with 55 acres has become 300 acres. To avoid poaching, cameras are installed throughout the sanctuary and people in the surrounding areas are given training and instructed about the benefits of the sanctuary to provide unknown people coming into the area. The 300-acre forest today has been named as Noah's Ark by Oxford University scientists who came here to study the wildlife. Today, it has a diverse flora and fauna. It has over 300 varieties of birds and the rare paradise flycatcher, which is also its logo. There are hornbills and other birds which are not found anywhere else in South India. As far as the animals go, there are river otters, giant Malabar squirrels, deer, monkeys, snakes including the king cobra, elephants, the Royal Bengal tigers, dhole which is the Indian dog, jackals, leopards and other animals. There are 300 types of birds and multiple indigenous trees and protected species of trees which are taken care of Dr. Anil Kumar Malhotra and his wife Pamela Gale Malhotra. The sanctuary has been awarded with the Wildlife and Tourism Initiative Award in 2014 for taking care of the flora and wildlife. Pamela Gale Malhotra has been given the Nari Shakti Puraskar in 2017 by the then President of India, Dr. Pranab Mukherjee. Building up this private sanctuary from barren 55 acres of land, abandoned fields, to 300 acres where it is today, containing multiple flora, fauna, and animals which are not to be found anywhere else in South India, is really amazing. It took Dr. Anil Kumar Malhotra and his wife Pamela Gale Malhotra said it took a tremendous amount of energy, dedication to bring it from where it was in 1991, 55 acres of abandoned fields, to today where it is a 300-acre sanctuary with elephants, leopards, tigers, otters, monkeys, snakes. They followed the three principles: no chopping of trees of any kind, no human interference, and keeping a very keen watch out for poachers. Poaching, even today, remains a problem, and hence they have got multiple cameras installed throughout the sanctuary. What an inspirational couple! What dedication! What courage! And a vision to convert abandoned fields to a 300-acre wildlife privately held sanctuary. Friends, if you like my stories, inspirational stories, please do subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. And for those of you who are already my subscribers, a warm, heartfelt thank you. You keep me motivated. Friends, I will see you soon with another inspirational story on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Till we meet again, good luck and all the best. Thank you.